Digital currencies, or cryptocurrencies, have not only gained significant value recently, but have also found acceptance among some retailers and merchants, fueling the trend of a cashless economy. While governments rush to figure out how to regulate and tax this new asset class, investors are eagerly looking into the possibility of cryptocurrencies as a profitable investment option. But will cryptocurrency replace fiat currency? Let's see. Welcome to Knowledge Pilot. Problems with fiat currency that crypto solves. Throughout history, money has been a fundamental part of human civilization, enabling people to exchange goods and services for something of equal value. Various definitions of money exist, but most agencies and regulators agree that it should meet three criteria. It should be 1. Widely accepted as a means of exchange. 2. A store of value. 3. A unit of account. Fiat currency, which is paper or coin money, has been the primary form of money for centuries, meeting all three of these requirements. It is backed by the governments that issue it and is accepted as legal tender within the country that produces it. But the rise of modern technology has initiated a shift away from physical money in many developed nations. Instead, electronic transfers and debit cards are taking over and leading to a new system where governments, banks, businesses, and individuals all move funds by simply altering numbers on a digital ledger. However, third parties are still required to ensure the validity of transactions, and the expenses associated with maintaining these financial systems can be substantial. Think bank fees and credit card fees. The involvement of third parties in financial transactions has always come with a certain level of risk, as it requires you to place your trust in someone else. Unfortunately, history has shown us that this trust can be easily broken, with unethical practices and fraudulent behavior leading to bank collapses and devastating financial crises around the world. However, the rise of cryptocurrency has introduced a new way of conducting financial transactions that eliminates the need for a third party altogether. Using advanced blockchain technology and automated consensus mechanisms, each transaction is verified and recorded in an immutable and unalterable way, ensuring that all parties involved are credited or debited accurately. This groundbreaking development not only eliminates the risk of third-party interference, but also offers unparalleled security and transparency in financial transactions. The world of finance is rapidly evolving, and cryptocurrency is at the forefront of this exciting and revolutionary new era. Will cryptocurrency replace traditional money? Let's look at three reasons driving this crypto versus fiat debate. 1. Fiat currency is proven to work, for now. While fiat currency has stood the test of time as a trustworthy medium of exchange, it benefits from well-established systems developed by central banks and governments to regulate its impact on the economy. In contrast, cryptocurrency's potential role is still being explored by experts, ranging from scholars and policymakers to investors and everyday users. 2. Unknown stability of a crypto economy. For generations, fiat currency has been the bedrock of our financial system, thanks to the robust frameworks that governments and central banks have built around it. However, as more businesses, investors, and individuals embrace cryptocurrencies, we're left wondering what their real potential is. Could they ultimately replace traditional money? And if so, what would happen to the stability of economies around the world? The answers to these questions are still a matter of debate among experts and stakeholders alike. 3. So is it time for a change? The world has long relied on fiat currency to facilitate trade, investment, and economic growth. Despite its proven track record, though, some are now wondering whether it's time for a change. Cryptocurrency has emerged as a viable alternative with its own unique benefits and drawbacks. One thing is clear: if they were to replace fiat money, it could have far-reaching consequences for the global financial landscape. If crypto replaces fiat, what would happen? Cryptocurrencies are a double-edged sword that cuts across borders and regulations, with both advantageous and detrimental effects. These digital currencies operate outside the influence and control of central banks, unlike traditional fiat currencies used in developed countries. Central banks utilize monetary policies to steer inflation and employment rates using interest rates and market operations. However, cryptocurrency's fundamental principle of decentralization eradicates these critical tools. On the one hand, the decentralized nature of cryptocurrency allows for greater autonomy and independence in financial transactions. Yet on the other hand, this same characteristic also presents a significant drawback. Consumers may not have any financial recourse or protection if cryptocurrency were to replace fiat currency entirely in its current state. It is crucial to recognize that while cryptocurrencies may offer many benefits, they also come with their own set of challenges and risks. Therefore, it is essential to weigh the pros and cons of this emerging financial technology before embracing it fully. As the world moves towards an increasingly digital future, it is up to us to navigate these new and uncharted waters responsibly. The potential outcomes of completely replacing fiat currency with cryptocurrency remain a topic of intense scrutiny and debate. A shift to cryptocurrency could either herald a new era of unparalleled global stability or wreak havoc on economic and financial systems worldwide. The International Monetary Fund, or IMF, the global authority on financial and economic affairs, has sounded the alarm about the volatility of cryptocurrency and its potential impact on consumer protection and macro-financial stability. The IMF has advised against the adoption of cryptocurrency as the primary national currency in its current state. It will grow fastest where the need is the greatest. The IMF recognizes that cryptocurrency adoption is more likely to occur more quickly in countries where the risks of cryptocurrency outweigh those of their current financial systems. Cryptocurrency has emerged as a game-changing technology with boundless potential and a clear advantage as a currency. In 2022, when the Russian invasion forced many Ukrainians to flee their country, cryptocurrency proved to be a lifeline for them. Without it, these refugees would have struggled to access the funds necessary to survive. What will money look like in the future? Cryptocurrency adoption has been steadily on the rise, with more and more people embracing its potential as a means of exchange. You can already exchange cryptocurrency for fiat currency through exchanges or by trading with other cryptocurrency users. As blockchain and cryptocurrency become more widely understood and accepted, their popularity and use cases are expected to continue growing. There are several possible scenarios that could unfold as the world continues to explore the potential of cryptocurrency. One scenario involves a hybrid system where both digital assets and fiat currency are recognized by governments. This could allow governments to collect tax revenues and fund their programs and militaries, while consumers and businesses can choose whichever they prefer. Another scenario is that a society may choose to reject cryptocurrency and stick with their established fiat currency. However, this seems less likely given the ongoing developments in blockchain technology, which is guiding society towards a system where financial information cannot be altered or falsified. Regardless of which scenario plays out, it is evident that cryptocurrency has the potential to benefit people and economies worldwide. However, the future of both fiat and cryptocurrency is still largely uncertain, as both have proven to be useful means of exchange, unit of account, and store of value. Is cryptocurrency better than fiat currency? When it comes to stability, fiat currency generally has the upper hand over cryptocurrency. The value of fiat currency is relatively consistent, while cryptocurrency is still a new and volatile market. However, as more and more people begin to adopt and use cryptocurrency, it's possible that its stability will improve over time. As blockchain technology becomes more widely understood and accepted, cryptocurrency will become an increasingly viable option for individuals and businesses alike. So while fiat currency may be the more stable option for now, the future of currency is looking more digital. Okay, what about cash? Will cryptocurrency replace cash? The world is gradually moving away from physical cash transactions as we know them. Credit and debit cards have become increasingly popular, and the use of cash is on the decline. This trend is expected to continue, and we may soon witness the emergence of a new form of currency that replaces cash altogether. Crypto is indeed a disruptor. So, as we've seen, crypto is a disruptive force in the world of finance, and it's changing the way we think about money. Will it eventually replace fiat currency? The answer remains uncertain, but the conversation is fascinating. With the rise of blockchain technology and the growth of the crypto market, it's more important than ever to stay informed about the future of money. We hope you liked this video. If you want more information on the world of cryptocurrency, check out the other videos on our channel. Thank you for watching.